Hey y'all, what's happening? I'm Chris and this is Pop Squared. I am so excited that our newest camera, the Canon EOS R5C, has finally arrived. So let's break into this box and see what all is inside. On the outside, this box is a bit more plain than other EOS boxes I've seen. Instead of a shiny black box, we have more of a recyclable looking plain cardboard box. Inside, we have the standard warranty registration cards and paperwork. Beneath that, we have the camera itself. We'll save that for now. Beneath that, sort of loosely in the box, we have additional accessories, including a Canon battery charger. A Canon rechargeable lithium-ion battery. A nice camera shoulder strap. A USB-C to USB-C cable. A small cable protector. And finally, the instruction manual. The camera itself is wrapped in this breathable mesh fabric bag. As I begin to turn the camera around, if you're familiar with the R5, you'll notice a few key differences, most notably the larger area on the back, which features a cooling system designed to prevent overheating, which was a common complaint amongst R5 owners. And that's the new EOS R5C from Canon. I'm excited to start playing with this camera. Stay tuned for our more in-depth review, which we'll post in a few weeks. That's all for today. Thanks for checking out this video. Thank you again for watching, and mahalo for your support. Until next time, aloha friends!